Once, in a quiet village, there lived a young girl named Emily, who always felt as though she was struggling to keep up. She had to attend school, study, play sports, go to extra lessons, and it all became overwhelming. No matter how hard she tried, it seemed as if problems kept piling up, one after another. Each time she managed to solve one, another would soon appear. It felt never-ending. One afternoon, feeling utterly frustrated and exhausted, Emily went to her mother and asked, "Mum, why do we have to learn? Why do we study so much? No matter how much effort we put in, problems just keep coming. As soon as we sort one out, another one turns up. Is this what life is? An endless stream of problems? Will it always be like this?" Her mother didn't answer immediately. Instead, she said, "Come with me. I want to show you something." She led Emily into the kitchen, where she had prepared 3 saucepans. She filled each with water and set them on the hob to boil. Into the first, she placed a carrot, into the second, an egg, and into the third, some tea leaves. After a while, once the water had boiled, she turned off the hob and said, "Now, have a look." Emily observed the carrot, the egg, and the tea leaves. The carrot, which had been hard and crisp, was now soft and limp. The egg, once delicate, had become firm inside, but the tea leaves had changed the water itself, turning it into a fragrant, flavorful brew. Her mother turned to her and explained, "This is what life's challenges are like. Some people, like the carrot, become weak and lose their strength when faced with difficulties. Others, like the egg, become tough on the outside but harden within. But the best are like the tea leaves. No matter how hot the water, they don't just endure it, they transform it. They change their surroundings for the better." She gestured towards the teapot and said, "See the difference the tea leaves made. They didn't let the heat define them. Instead, they changed the situation." Looking at Emily, she asked, "So, my dear, which one will you be? The carrot, the egg, or the tea leaves?" Understanding dawned on Emily's face, and she smiled. She realized that, no matter what life threw at her, she had the power to choose how she responded. Life would always present challenges, big ones, small ones, and sometimes it would feel as though they would never end. But her response was where her true strength lay. She could let life wear her down, become hardened by it, or she could choose to face every challenge with resilience and courage, transforming her world in the process. So, the next time life tests you, ask yourself, which one will you be? The choice is yours. You are stronger than you think. And remember, every challenge is a chance to grow. Keep moving forward. Keep transforming. You can do this.